Ever wondered how to maximize your workout with just a pair of dumbbells? Well, you're in for a treat. Dumbbell exercises are a fantastic way to strengthen and tone your body. They are versatile, easy to use, and most importantly, they can target multiple muscle groups at once. Whether you're a beginner just starting your fitness journey or a seasoned gym-goer looking for a challenge, dumbbell exercises offer a myriad of options to suit all fitness levels. In this video, we'll uncover a series of full-body dumbbell exercises that you can easily incorporate into your workout regime. We'll cover everything from squats to shoulder presses, ensuring you get a comprehensive workout that challenges your body in new ways. Each exercise is designed to promote strength, endurance, and muscle growth, helping you get closer to achieving your fitness goals. So, are you ready to shake up your workout routine? Stay tuned. To kick things off, we have the dumbbell squat, a fantastic lower body exercise. This power-packed move is all about form and technique. First, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand. Your palms should be facing your body. Now push your hips back and bend your knees as if you're about to sit in a chair. Keep your chest up and your back straight. It's crucial to maintain a neutral spine to avoid injury. As you lower into the squat, imagine the energy driving through your heels, not your toes. This action engages those large muscle groups in your lower body. We're talking quads, hamstrings, and the all-important glutes. Now push back up to standing, squeezing those glutes at the top for a little extra burn. Remember, the key to mastering the dumbbell squat is control and precision, not speed. And there you have it, the dumbbell squat, your go-to move for stronger legs and glutes. Next up, we have the dumbbell deadlift, another great full-body exercise. This powerful movement starts with the correct stance. Your feet should be hip-width apart, toes pointed slightly outwards. For the grip, hold a dumbbell in each hand, with your palms facing toward your body. Now let's get to the movement. Hinge at the hips and bend your knees, lowering the dumbbells along your shins. Keep your back flat and head neutral. Then drive through your heels to stand up straight, squeezing your glutes at the top. The dumbbell deadlift is a fantastic exercise for your posterior chain, targeting your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. But it doesn't stop there, folks. Even your core and upper body get in on the action, working to stabilize your body throughout the movement. So not only do you get stronger, but you also improve your balance and stability. Remember, it's all about the form. Keep practicing and you'll master the dumbbell deadlift in no time. Now let's move on to the dumbbell bench press, an excellent exercise for the upper body. Our journey into the world of full-body dumbbell exercises takes us next to the dumbbell bench press. This classic exercise primarily targets your pectoral muscles, but also gives your triceps and anterior deltoids a good workout. The first step is to assume the correct position. Lay flat on your back on the bench, feet firmly planted on the ground. Hold a dumbbell in each hand at shoulder width. Your palms should face your feet and your elbows should create a 90-degree angle at the bottom of the movement. As for the breathing technique, inhale as you lower the weights to your chest. Exhale when you press them up, contracting your chest muscles. Remember, control is key. Never let the weights drop quickly. The slower the descent, the better the muscle engagement. There you have it, the dumbbell bench press, a fantastic way to sculpt your upper body. Up next is the dumbbell row, a powerful exercise for the back. This move is all about the pull, so let's dive into the technique. Start by holding a dumbbell in each hand, hinging at the hips until your torso is nearly parallel to the floor. Keep your knees slightly bent for stability. Now, engage your back muscles and pull the dumbbells up towards your chest, making sure to keep your elbows close to your body. As you pull, imagine squeezing a pencil between your shoulder blades. This visualization helps to engage the correct muscles and maintain proper form. The dumbbell row is not just about building muscle, it's also great for improving posture. By strengthening the back and shoulder muscles, you'll naturally stand taller and feel stronger. Plus, this exercise helps to counteract the forward hunch many of us develop from sitting at desks all day. Keep practicing the dumbbell row and you'll be feeling stronger in no time. Last but not least, we have the dumbbell shoulder press, a fantastic exercise for the shoulders and arms. This exercise requires you to press dumbbells upward from shoulder level until your arms are fully extended overhead. The key here is to maintain a controlled motion. Slowly raise the weights, pause for a moment at the top, then gently lower them back down. The dumbbell shoulder press primarily targets your deltoids, the muscles that give your shoulders their rounded appearance. But it's not stopping there. It also works your trapezius muscles in your upper back, and your triceps in your upper arms. In fact, it's a great exercise for improving overall upper body strength. Remember, quality always trumps quantity in weightlifting. It's better to do fewer reps with good form than more with poor form. And always listen to your body. If a weight feels too heavy, it probably is. And that, folks, is the dumbbell shoulder press, a great way to round out your full body workout. So, we've covered a lot today, haven't we? We've delved into the dynamic world of full body dumbbell exercises, touching on 5 key workouts that can help you build strength and endurance, all from the comfort of your own home or gym. First, we explored the dumbbell squat, a foundational exercise that targets your lower body, including your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. This versatile move not only improves your strength, but also enhances your flexibility and balance. Next, we moved on to the dumbbell deadlift, another lower body powerhouse. Remember, this is all about hinging at the hips, keeping your back straight, and using your hamstrings and glutes to power the movement. It's a superb exercise for improving posture and strengthening your core. Then, we shifted our focus to the upper body with the dumbbell bench press. This classic chest exercise is great for working your pecs, triceps, and shoulders. And the beauty of it? You can easily adjust the weight of your dumbbells to suit your strength level. Following this, we introduced the Dumbbell Row, a fantastic exercise for your back muscles. It's key to keep your torso parallel to the ground and pull the dumbbells towards your chest, really focusing on squeezing those shoulder blades together. We finished our exercise tour with the dumbbell shoulder press, a great compound movement. It works not only your shoulders but also your triceps. It's all about control and stability, so remember to keep that core engaged. Each of these exercises, when performed with the correct form and regular practice, can bring about significant changes in your strength and physique. The key is to start with a weight that's challenging yet manageable. And as you build strength, don't shy away from increasing the weight. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. Keep pushing, keep sweating, and most importantly, keep having fun. Until next time.